Hello dear crochet lovers, let us start with learning how to make different swatches or motifs with crochet. So I have taken these two color wools, white and camel color, and one scissor you need. Crochet you can take any crochet which is smooth with your hands. I have taken here 3.5 number crochet, 3.5. Wool you have to recognize by ply. Just open the end of the wool and split the threads. Here I am getting 3 threads, 1 2 3. So 3 threads means 3 ply wool. This wool is of 3 ply. Let me open this white wool. I have split it. You see, I will get 4 threads, 4 thin threads, 1 2, and from other also I am getting 2 threads, very thin. This is 4 ply, 1 2 3 4. 4 threads. This is 4 ply. So you can take any ply wool and any crochet number which goes smooth with your hand, and I have taken 3.5 mm here. Let me start with camel color. Hold it between forefinger and thumb. Forefinger and thumb of left hand, like this. Now if this is your functioning yarn and this is your crochet hand, if you are left-hander, then you will hold this crochet yarn in this hand, and if you are right-hander, you will hold the functioning yarn in right hand. I am holding crochet in this hand and functioning yarn in left hand. After holding, you wrap 2 or 3 rounds on forefinger. Hold it like this. First of all, you have to make slip knot. How it is made? Very easy and very simple. Just put the crochet below this yarn, bring over, take yarn over, twist it, see again, pass the crochet hook below yarn over, bring hook towards your face, twist it. I have twisted it. Now again yarn over. We have got this loop here. It's a loop. I am showing. This is the loop. Your hook is here. You have to bring yarn and pass it through this loop. This is slip knot. Make it tight with pulling this starting yarn. This is slip knot. Now we have got one loop. Pass the yarn through this loop. This you have got chain. This is called chain stitch. Another chain stitch. Go on making it very slowly. No need for hurry, otherwise crochet may slip. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. To show you, I'll take 12 chain stitches. This is for one sample. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14 stitches I have made. Now I have to turn the row, so one more crochet for turning around. Now I'll leave 2 chain stitches. 1 2, come to the third. 1 2, come to the third. In third, pass the hook, yarn over, bring out the hook with the yarn towards yourself. Now you have got 3 loops. Yarn over again, decrease the 2 loops. You have got 1 loop here. Again decrease them, take out the working yarn through them and you will get 1 chain. Again next chain stitch, pass the hook, yarn over, bring out it. You have got 3 loops. Now shed 2 loops, again yarn over, shed 2 loops. You have got chain. Like this go on doing to make a swatch. The row has finished. This is double crochet stitch. We have to turn around like this. 2 chains we have to put to raise the height for next row. Now these two chain stitches will be counted as 1 double crochet above the previous one. This was the previous one, last one, and this is the first double crochet of the next row. Now for second double crochet, this is the second double crochet, we will make above this. 1 double crochet is the starting chain stitches. Next double crochet we will make in these 2 stitches. This is the hole, or we can say base for the next stitch, and like this. Similarly turn around, 2 chains. First this will be counted as first double crochet. For next we will make this hole between these 2 knots. By making like this, the swatch or patch or motif will be in perfect alignment. For this alignment, stitches are made like this. Now I will complete, and at least I have to get 5 or 6 inches length. completed this round also. I have attained the length of 5 inches. This is almost 5 inches length. These types of swatches or motifs, you can get it made many numbers and keep aside. They can be used in making final product of any type by joining with stitches or sewing needle. And I will close this patch here, show you in my next items how I am utilizing them in making other beautiful products. I'll tell you in my next videos. This is front side and this is back side. See, alignment is proper, number of stitches are same, I can show you, and each line is above previous line. Let me show you by counting. These are 13 stitches in all. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Let us count from starting also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, and these are same. Thanks for watching. Wait for my next video. Okay, bye bye till then.